Hey guys, Alex here at seekoptics.com with a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace lenses in a full plastic frame. First step, go ahead and open up the temples. Second step, turn the frame around, and with your thumbs go ahead and push the lens out starting from the bridge. You'll hear a small snap. That means the lens has dislodged from the groove, and you can pull it right out. Let's try the other side. So you push the lens out, comes right out, and there you go. That's how you remove the lenses. Now to put them back in is very simple also. You align the lens with the inner groove that you can see on the inside of the frame, and then just guide your thumb along the corners to push the lens into the groove so it sits flush. Let's try the other side. Let's align the center groove, and then with your thumb just guide it along until you hear a snap. That means the lens is in. And always remember to use your microfiber cleaning bag to clean the lenses to get rid of your fingerprints. And make sure to visit us at seekoptics.com regularly for new updates on great deals. Thank you for watching.